In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a magazine in Canva in 10 minutes or less. There are going to be timestamps in the description. If you don't want to hear me ramble, or if you don't want to hear the first part, just scroll down in the description and you'll see all the timestamps so you can skip around to the thing that benefits you most in this video. So the first thing you do is you go to canva.com and type in magazine cover. Over here, you got different types of magazines covers. So you could literally like go through here and see if it's anything you like here. Food magazine covers, these will be more for self-explanatory, right? Teen magazine cover, these will be more for that. Travel magazine cover, fashion magazine cover, so that's for you hairstylists and for you makeup artists. Fashion magazine might work for you. Sports magazine, gossip, car, they have all these different things. I'm going to choose this one that says pop star. So I'm going to use this one under teen magazine cover that says pop star, just because it has 5 different designs that you can use. So I would start off here. If you're a hairstylist, you can put, for instance, I'll say, like, we'll just make up a generic name, right? Jen's Styles or something. And I don't have a lot of time, but you could just be creative. Whatever the name of your business is, right? You can put like 2021's most versatile hairstyles, whatever. And then here, if you wanted to take this picture and you wanted to substitute it, you can either go over to photos, which would be some pictures that you uploaded. So I could put in hairstyles over here, type in, and maybe they have different type of hairstyles here. We'll just choose a free one. And actually, you can just slide it, drag and drop. Then you can, have filters on this. I'll just choose none on here, put it in color. So Jen Styles, 2021's most versatile hairstyles. And you're already done with the cover, right? These are just ideas too. So this template, you can do a lot of different things with it. So this issue 1, right? You can write, I don't know what you write here, different things. You can style it as you want. You can change the colors here. So you can go here. If you wanted it to be blue, you could make it blue. If you wanted a different color pink, you go here to new color, and maybe you drag it over there. Maybe you want to make the words white. You click on it. Here is where you change the color of the letters. So you could choose white there. As you can see, it's changed the letter. You can do all types of things and make this exactly what you want it to be. If you want the words to be different, again, you go back to here and you can choose colors. What I like is that it remembers the colors you choose, and they'll be here. Or you can go to new color and move this around as you want to make the colors what you like. So this is the first page, right? And let's just say we went back to templates, right? Because this is all the different pages. So we'll add a page here, and let's just say I wanted to do this page. But if I want to keep it in line with this magazine of the same color, I just click here, right? Click there to change the color, and then boom, just like that, the colors match. Also, again, you want to create some continuity in your magazine, like the same color schemes, things like that, right? So maybe in all these pictures, you could substitute these for in uploads over here. These are pictures that I've uploaded. So maybe if I had some hair or something, I don't know. So you can make this your own pictures. And again, you don't have to use filters. If you're doing hair, you probably don't want a filter, so you'd have the full color of the picture here. And again, if you don't want that, you can go to elements, right, and type in hair. And I don't know if you want to use any of these. This is just like icons. You delete that, or you can just put female models, right? You have to kind of be creative. And this again is also for makeup. What I do a lot of times is I go over to Google, go over to images, and then I'll type in hairstyles, right? Or see hairstyles for women. So then there's a bunch of things you can right click this, save the image. I'm just gonna save it. Where do I put it at? On a desktop. Doesn't matter. Current training. I'll do that. A lot of stuff. Photo, beauty, makeup, channel art. here, that's what we'll call it. This will be download. So then you go back over here, and let's just say if I wanted to substitute that picture, I would go to uploads, upload media, device, and then wherever I saved it, which was on the desktop, in current training, photo beauty channel, download, right? And when I press open here, then you see the picture will show up here. Then I could just drag that and drop it, right? And then you could reposition that photo if it was bigger or whatever. And then, you know, you could put hairstyle 1, or I don't I don't know what styles are hairstyles, so maybe you can put a bun, right? Bun plus bob or whatever. I don't, that's probably a bang or whatever, right? You get the picture of what I'm saying. And then you type a little bit in this magazine. Everything is customizable, right? And just so you can get a better view, let's just put this to 75. See? So you can put quotes here, or you can put Jen's hairstyle 1, right? 1 or whatever. And you can put something like use this product, so you can have product showcases in here, like stuff that you use with the hair. Now, that if you're a stylist, I mean, this is if you're a stylist. Now, if you're a makeup artist, right, this could be a picture of makeup. So maybe I might go to photos and choose makeup styles, right? So then you might, you know, anything dealing with makeup, right? You could literally just drag and drop pictures in there, and you can make this magazine what you want. So let's take it back down. So you got your first page, you got your second page, and then if you want to add any pages, you go back up to templates over here. And if you want to add anything, you could add like a picture, right? And this, I wouldn't, you know, if you're doing stuff for hairstylist or makeup, right, this would be a color picture here. And what you do is you just go to like a female model or something. So I'd go to photos and go to female models or something, and then you just drag and drop it, right? But what I would do here is this would be somebody that you have personally did makeup for, or you personally have done a hairstyle for. So you got your cover here. You can customize again all of this. You can change fonts here. So if you click on fonts here, and let's just make this a little bit bigger so you can see it. You can change the fonts here. If you don't like that font, right, you can change it to something else. Mayfair display. You can change if it's bold or italic. You can change the size of it. So you can change here. It's changing the size. So again, it's just all customizable. And again, templates. Let's say if you didn't want to use this template and you wanted to use a completely another template, then you know, you could go back up to templates, and you can also hit apply all 5 pages, and then it'll open up. It'll put all those 5 pages in the magazine. But again, this can be really quick. You don't, and I'm talking throughout this, but if you just really got focused and you had all the pictures you wanted, that's going to be the most time consuming thing, is getting the pictures that you want to download. So if you're a hairstylist or a makeup artist, you want to take pictures of all your clients. So let's continue with this. If you wanted to add text, right, you just click the text button, and it would add it on whatever page that you have selected. Like if you wanted to write something, you put add a heading. You see, it would add a heading there, and you can type in what you want. Anyway, after you get done with all of these, then what you would do is you would go up here, but this little icon here where it says download, and then I would do it as a PDF standard. If there's going to be email, or it doesn't matter, it's going to be electronic copy. You can also get it printed, but everything is online, so I would just leave it here. This pay and download, you usually don't have that unless you use pictures that Canva makes you pay for. So for instance, if I deleted that, now I can go here to download, and it'll just let me download it. So and then when you save it, you have that as electronic copy, and then you're done. So you can make as many pages as you want. I think it's up to 30 with Canva so far right now. And you also have the option to print, but you won't need that for this. I would just keep it electronic. Again, this is your business. You can do whatever you want. Really be creative with this. There is no rules to this, right? You just use different pictures and different things, and then you click download and create it. Now let's look at that PDF. So when we open this up, I'm going to make it a little bit smaller here on my screen. But now you have a fully functioning magazine just like that. And it did not take long. It'll take longer depending on how many pages you add, how many pictures and things you add. Hope this has been helpful.
This video is brought to you by the Online Business Startup University, where we have courses to help beginning and intermediate entrepreneurs learn the skills they need to improve their business, like marketing, content strategies, and more, with simple, easy to learn, and easy to follow strategies.